So in case you haven't seen my last video, in this video we're going to be making this. It's like a display holder thing for an Arduino, and currently it doesn't work because some wires fell off of it while I had it sitting in a bad spot. So yeah, these are just bonus clips that I had enough to make another video, so let's get to it. I decided to just solder this display onto this cartridge board thing. An old Radio Shack one. I feel kind of bad doing that, but I have a few of them and I don't think they're really too valuable. So I'll just solder this on and I'll add a potentiometer or a control. Okay, there, I found one. Doesn't look like it's focusing. So yeah, it's just a 10K potentiometer. Heat up the soldering iron a little more. But it should be good. Maybe not. Well, that's weird, it isn't even hot. It just got kind of warm. The problem was when I changed tips, I just didn't screw it on tight enough. If that makes sense. Yeah, now it easily just melts in the flux. So, get my found use thing, soldering holder. It has this hard drive magnet on it because when I was using it, it just kept tipping over. So we'll just solder these legs on. Oh, that one got jumped. There we go. So yeah, just heat up the one side and touch the solder. And again, yeah, this gives me a guide on how to actually solder. So as you can see, I'm not the best. Oh, that stinks. Actually, no, I don't even really smell it. It's just getting in my eyes. I need some desoldering wick, to be honest. Yeah, I was not looking at this thing from a good angle. I was just trying to get it on camera nice. That's better. Still not really good. Now, add this potentiometer down here. It'll have to do the trick. I'll do the pins now. We need to hook up our backlight now. And I gotta find a switch so I can turn it off if I don't want it on. We'll add this switch. Kind of cut at it a bit to make it better size, but I couldn't get it to fit through the holes still, so we'll just use this wire that I had. I'm sure this probably won't even get into the video what I'm saying right here, because I've been doing this for so long. It's basically just a video on its own, which maybe I'll do. I'll just turn this into another video. I'll add a bit of solder to this. I'm trying to push this through. I didn't actually specify what I'm doing right now so that I can turn off my backlight. Nope, I don't like that. And it just broke off. Okay, so as soon as I got this camera moved out of the way, I basically got it working right. Well, looks like it soldered on there better, but still not good. So we'll run this wire. I believe we were switching the ground off and on. Look at this masterpiece. Oh, one-time zoom. Camera just got really sagged down, that's why. So now I can start, I think, soldering stuff on for the Arduino to interface with it. Yeah, I have so many of these just male to female cables, so I'll just cut off the, and these aren't all of them, this is just some of them I grabbed. I'll just cut off the female ends of them and just solder that directly on. And the male ends can connect to the Arduino. Okay, so now you can, oh, I just messed it up. There. You can see it works. Just the contrast, turn off the backlight. Just wrote this quick code just to test it. And there's the bottom, not very nice, but there it is. So yeah, I'm really happy with that soldering iron. Was also, I could have done this, I just gotta bring the camera. So I would have also printed a case for it. You can see now the 3D printer, but the extruder motor got burned up because it was like put together faulty from the factory, so hopefully I'll get a new motor for it. You can see that's why that stuff's like burnt on, because I can't remember exactly what happened, but it was broken. So I did get a benchy boat printed out and it looks really good. So yeah, hopefully videos about this coming soon. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed having a look at the soldering iron. I mean the display. This was a completely original idea that didn't get stolen from another video because I had way too much footage. Why would anybody do that? Which is really good. And seeing me build this. Obviously the main focus of the video and the only reason this was filmed. Which will probably just be a separate video building this because I have so much footage of me making it and getting angry at it. So, see you in 2021. Possibly one more video coming out this year, but I doubt it.